Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is just look at two gaming tokens that could potentially 10 to 100x during the next bull run. So if you're excited to learn about these coins, then watch the video. Also, if you got value from this video, why not like and subscribe to get more content like this? And just please remember that nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. If you want to invest in these coins or any others, please do your own research before you do so. And obviously never invest more than you can afford to lose. So with that out of the way, let's get on with it. So the first gaming token I'm going to be looking at is Immutable I can't even say Immutable X, sorry. And this is this company's advancing the next generation of Web3 games. And it says Immutable is here to make asset ownership and commerce in digital worlds real through the power of immutable NFTs. So it's basically making digital worlds real. So it's bringing alive the metaverse and Web3 games. It says Immutable is advancing the world of NFTs through Immutable X, an industry-leading NFT minting and trading platform, and Immutable Studios, an NFT game development studio. Now, this is one of the top gaming companies focusing on Web3, and I personally believe this coin or token has got potential to maybe 10x during the next bull run. This company's creating innovative products. It's creating innovative games. It's bringing, NFTs, tradable, in the games. And it's got a lot of potential. And it's got a strong following on social. So there's a community behind it. So let's look at the data. So this is Immutable X coin on CoinMarketCap. So at the moment, it is trading for 0.9. If we look at the all-time, it is well below its peak, which is pretty much, 9. Yeah, I think we look here, it's over $9.30. So it's almost 10 times lower than its peak. So if this company continues innovating, their products get traction, and starts generating good revenue, then this coin has easily the potential to 10x, in my opinion, during the next bull run. Really interesting company, very, very interesting product. So I think that's one gaming company to keep an eye on. Next one is called UFO Gaming, much smaller than Immutable X. And basically this is a UFO Gaming is pioneering gaming company founded by a team of gaming and crypto enthusiasts with years of experience in these fields, passionate about taking the gaming industry to the next level by unleashing the tremendous potential of blockchain. So what's setting UFO Gaming apart? It's a gaming studio, so it's creating richly designed games which are setting galaxies and dimensions far from our own, with unique in-game assets players can actually own. So it's commercializing, the assets, the land, and all sorts of other things in the game. So the decentralized dark metaverse empowers players and entitles them to in-game revenue, so you can play and earn as well. It's only a small cap company, but it's creating innovative products. It's got a strong sort of social following, so there's a strong community behind it. Let's look at the numbers. So over the past 3 months, it's been going up from the low. It's currently trading at whatever that is. I'm not even going to try and explain, but basically it is well below where it was. Now I've heard someone else talking about this prominent crypto YouTuber, and he seems to think this could 100x in the next bull run. And obviously if they keep creating innovative products, people start using them and starts generating revenue in terms of profit, with a strong community, growing community behind it. This coin does have the potential to 100x, maybe in the years ahead and maybe during the next bull run. So there you have it. Those are your two crypto gaming companies that could 10 to maybe 100x in the future during the next bull run. And if you want to know when the next bull run's potentially going to be, I've been sort of listening to a lot of crypto experts in the industry. They're thinking maybe 2024 could be the year, because Bitcoin is halving again in March 2024. That's going to reduce the supply of Bitcoin in the market. So obviously when the amount of Bitcoin supplying in the market, sort of goes down, becomes more, there's less of it, supply and demand, so the price is going to shoot up, which is obviously going to pump the crypto market. Obviously, war in Ukraine ends between now and then. That's going to massively help the financial markets and the crypto market. And also, if we slowly come out of recession, 2024 could be a big year for crypto. Now, obviously, the bull market could happen this year, but I don't think so. It could happen later than 2024, but I think 2024 is a good marker for when the bull market will return. So, you've got plenty of time to pick up some absolute bargains in crypto. Most cryptos are trading at some of their lowest values, so there's going to be a huge amount of bargains out there. These two coins are bargains, and there's going to be a ton others out there. So if you keep your eyes and invest wisely, there's a lot of money to be made in crypto over the next couple of years. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found this content useful, informative. If you like the video, why not like it? Why not subscribe to the channel? Anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.